If your Nissan Pathfinder displays a key not detected error when trying to start, it likely means your key fob battery is dead. The intelligent key system relies on the fob's signal to communicate with the vehicle's immobilizer. A dead battery prevents this communication, triggering the error. This is a security feature, not a flaw, ensuring the key's presence. The primary fix involves using the mechanical backup and understanding fob proximity. Start by manually unlocking your Pathfinder with the physical key blade hidden within the fob. Then, place the fob as close as possible to the start button. Press the brake pedal firmly and push the start button simultaneously. This allows the vehicle to passively detect the fob's chip and start the engine. If the proximity method fails, replacing the CR2032 battery in your key fob is a straightforward solution, costing under $5. Looking ahead, digital keys via smartphone apps are becoming increasingly common, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Battery technology advancements may also bring rechargeable fobs, minimizing dead battery scenarios. As Pathfinders shift toward electrification, hybrid systems may integrate keyless tech better, possibly eliminating mechanical backups. To prevent issues, regularly check your fob's battery and be aware of software updates that improve key fob detection sensitivity.